Hi folks, Jason here, wanting to talk about the Good Morning Snore Solution. It's a great product. I used to have a lot of issues with waking up with sore nasal cavities or just feeling short of breath. And once I found out about the Good Morning Snore Solution, picked it up, it worked great right away. It's really easy to use. It pulls your tongue forward and holds it there in this tongue bubble, and with the tongue moved forward, it doesn't fall back into the throat, which is what was causing the shortness of breath that I was experiencing and the soreness, and totally cleared it up. So it's a great product. Check it out. Yeah, that's what I have to say.